This is my truck. I call her the Millennium Falcon because she's gotten me all over. I love this baby. She even got dressed up for Halloween. Tonight was slasher night at DOD. And as you could hear, I'm slightly getting my voice back. If you love Halloween, like and subscribe, party people. Come on. Just a little Halloween splattering for you. Soon she'll be up and running good. I gotta get plates back on her. Off for the late night walk home though. She's parked in a safe place now. Yeah. I love everybody I work with. Few people help do this. There was a Carrie, Reese was there. Thank you guys. Lots of love. Stay awesome. Hell yeah, DOD.